Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on another lacy pattern. The pattern is really easy, only 2 row repeat. What we have to do for the pattern, we need to cast on even number, means 2 by 2, like that. And you can use any kind of rib or edge as a start. But what we have to do for the pattern, we take the first one, the right side of the word, then yarn over. The next 2 stitches we are going to knit together. Then before we take it out, we knit the first stitch again, like that. Do it again, yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, then knit the first stitch again. Repeat. The first row because I used the rib, it's not easy, and the last stitches. Row 2 we are going to take the first one as a edge, then I'm going to knit and pull the first one. When it comes in these 2, the one with yarn over and the one with pull, I'm going to take these 2 together and knit this and pull these 2. Again, I'm going to pull the first one, then pull these 2 together. Pull 1, pull together. Pull 1, pull together. Pull 1, pull together, and the last stitch. Now is again you have to repeat the pattern. As I told you, this pattern only 2 row repeat. This means that you have to take the first one, then it comes in these 2, yarn over, knit together, and knit the first one. Yarn over, knit together, knit the first one, and row 4 is exactly like row 2. Pull the first one, pull together. When it comes in these 3, pull the first one, pull together, as you can see here, the pattern it looks like that. As I told you, you can use any kind of rib or edge as a start, or like my samples here, you can start directly from the row 1 And if you repeat these two rows, after few rows your pattern should look like that. As you can see here, this is like a vertical pattern, and they can be used for any kind of lacy pattern you like. This is the front side, and back side of the row is also nice. If you can see, looks like a pattern. I like it. And this is the front side. That's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends, and have a great day.